YouTube starts rolling out age verification.
Yeah, he ran out of his
AI
fun, positive
model.
ones.
There was a grand total of 1.
Got him.
On Wednesday, August 13th, YouTube began rolling out AI age verification across the platform. It's called the age...
Estimation?
Is that a typo or is that actually what it's called? I'm assuming estimation, but it's typed in here as estimation. Anyways, and works by taking several factors into consideration. Account age, kind of makes sense. Watch history, watch trends, browsing trends, and content you're interacting with, and more. So if you watch Minecraft parkour, you might not be able to watch anything other than kids content soon. Then it will determine if you are under the age of 18 and apply settings to your account based on that. James,
I hate this so much. Like, okay,
my account might literally get flagged because we put like little kids shows on for the birds because they like singing along with them. I'm not even kidding. That's really interesting,
dude. It affects the other side too. So do you remember when they rolled out the changes to YouTube Kids, where they effectively decide that content is for kids, and so it can only be interacted with in certain ways? So say, for example, I wanted to listen to the Alvin and the Chipmunks opening theme on loop. I can't because it doesn't support background playback, and it doesn't support like media controls because it's for kids. Or if I wanted to reminisce about what an awesome, absolute banger of an intro theme song it is, in the comments, I can't because comments are off. Oh. That is truly one of the greatest losses on YouTube, being able to discuss amazing 80s kids show opening theme music because it's for kids. No kid is watching that today.
That's wild.
I guarantee you that.
James Besser, not to be confused with Dan Besser, Senior Director of Product Management for YouTube's youth products, wrote, "This is, in quotes, so that teens are treated as teens and adults as adults." Okay. This technology will allow us to infer a user's age and then use that signal, regardless of the birthday of the account, to deliver our age-appropriate product experiences and protections. To be completely honest, they're probably really good at guessing this.
Oh, yeah.
I made my comment about the kids show thing, but I honestly don't think it would think that, because it probably thinks I'm a dad, not a bird owner. So it might be wrong in some ways, but I'm sure it could understand from the watching habits that like there's an adult administering this account.
So it gets everything right for all the wrong reasons, basically.
Yeah. Anyways, you can bypass this if you choose to upload an acceptable ID to verify that you're in fact over 18, and that's immediately horrible if the AI gets it wrong. YouTube also mentioned that creators could see a small impact. Interesting.
Due to some audience members possibly being affected and no longer showing or recommending the creator's channel to those audience members.
When did they start this? Because our not doing as well thing.
Yeah, we haven't uploaded much. I don't think it's to do with us.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't think so. This was only 2 days ago that they rolled this out. Yeah, no. I just think that interest in some of our recent topics has been relatively low, and the tech space is relatively boring right now.